Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G72. Oh well, that's new. Right now when you go to your menu and then click on settings, network and internet, you see there's no SIM inserted. So we're gonna insert a SIM card now. For that, you need your SIM card ejector that normally comes in the box your phone comes in. Or you use a simple paper clip that also works. Then you want to find your SIM card slot on this Motorola. It's on the left side, and then gently put in the paper clip. Press a little bit and then you see it pops out here. Then you take it out and take your SIM card. Then you want to put in your SIM card. There's only one way that fits in, and then you want to put it back in the phone. Enter pin for SIM 1. So now you're gonna put in your SIM pin and then unlock your phone. And if you go back to settings now, network and internet, you see here Kongstar, your provider. You can now like send SMS or make phone calls, receive calls. So that's how you put in your SIM card to your Motorola Moto G72. Hope it helped, hope you liked it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.